Hi children, I hope all are keeping fine. How was your practice test? Have you done it well? Today, I will teach you few activities which you can do during your holidays. First, we will deal with area. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. The formula for finding area of a square is equal to side into side. And the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. If the shape is irregular, then we do not know the formula. So we can learn to find area of a regular and an irregular shape. If the shape is irregular, then by counting the unit squares, we can find the area very easily. For example, area of a square by using the formula side into side. Can you see a square over here? The side of the square is 6 units. So area is equal to 6 into 6, 36 square units. Same area we will get by counting the unit squares. Now what is a unit square? Small square which is having side 1 unit. So count the number of unit squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in one row, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So 6 are 36 unit squares are here. So area is equal to 36 unit squares. Same way, can you see a rectangle here? The length of this rectangle is 9 units and breadth of the rectangle is 4 units. So by formula, area is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 9 into 4, 36 unit squares. That is 36 square units. Same we will get by counting the unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In one row, 9 unit squares are there. And there are 4 rows are there. So 9 into 4, 36 square units. So by using this method, we can find the area of an irregular shape very easily. See here, a leaf is here. How do you find the area of this leaf? Just place this leaf on a graph sheet and draw the outline of this so that inside this closed shape we can see full unit squares, more than half unit squares, half unit squares, less than half unit squares. When you count, more than half can be counted as 1, half can be counted as half only, that means 2 halves will make 1. Less than half is 0, that means that is ignored. So area of this leaf, count first how many full unit squares are there. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 16 full unit squares are there. More than half, how many are there? See the tick mark. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 more than half. More than half will be counted as full, so it will be 3 only here. Now count and see half how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 halves are there, is equal to 2 and half. And less than half, see the cross mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 0, 0. That is, this part is ignored. So total area 16 plus 3 plus 2 and half plus 0 is equal to 21 and half square unit approximately. Same way, you take another big leaf Place it on a graph sheet, draw the outline and find the area by using the same method. Next we will see line of symmetry. What is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is the line which divide a thing into two similar halves. It is also called as axis of symmetry. Here I will show you some of the example. This leaf, when you fold it through the middle line, you will get two equal halves. So this middle part is called, this line is called the line of symmetry. And it has only one line of symmetry, because when you fold it horizontally like this way, you don't get a similar halves. Same way, this is an isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Third side is different. And see, when you fold it in this way, the two halves are equal and they are superimposing each other. But can you fold it like this way? No, the halves are not equal. Same way, the halves are not equal. So it has only one line of symmetry. And another example is, see, this is a rectangle. When you fold it horizontally, the two halves are equal, and when you fold it vertically, the two halves are equal. But when you fold it diagonal wise, the halves are not equal, they are unequal. So this rectangle has two lines of symmetry. So line of symmetry is the line which divide a thing into two equal halves. Now I have given some activities here. See, cut and stick two things which is having one line of symmetry. Butterfly, it is having only one line of symmetry. Now you find out one another thing, cut and stick it over here. Second question is here, two English alphabets which is having two lines of symmetry. One example here, see the letter H. It is having horizontal line of symmetry, also vertical line of symmetry. You find out one another letter which is having two lines of symmetry. Third question is here, two shapes which do not have line of symmetry. For example, parallelogram. Parallelogram, take a cutout of parallelogram, fold it horizontal wise. You won't get a line, two equal halves. Vertical, here also you won't get equal halves. Diagonal wise also we do not get equal halves. So the parallelograms do not have any line of symmetry. You find out one more shape which does not have any line of symmetry. Now let us see some geometric designs which we can make using compasses and pencil. See, some designs I have drawn already here. Just observe it. Now I will show you some of the simple geometrical designs, how to construct it. First, to draw a circle and divide the circumference into 6 equal halves from here. So from here with the same radius, cut off. Now from here See, a flower is formed. Color it and take. So this figure can be made. Next I will show you one more symbol diagram. Draw a circle. Draw another circle. Small circle. This divide into 6 equal parts from here. Color it in different ways with the color pencil. So this way you can form different geometrical shapes. So do these activities as your summer holiday activity and bring back when you come to school. Thank you.